is a very important event which has happened over here, and we were delighted to be part of it, and we really feel that pharma industry is moving forward towards the GMP as well as towards the more regulated export markets, and we see a whole transformation over the last decade. We have seen this whole transformation not only in the regulatory frameworks but also in the pharmaceutical companies' evolution, because from non-GMP now we are moving towards the GMP. Most of the pharmaceutical companies have attained the GMP certificates and they are ready to take off for the export markets. In this convention, my major focus was on the APIs, the importance of API development in Pakistan, that this is one of the segments in which pharmaceutical industry has not yet invested, and they should invest in this API manufacturing so that more and more API means the active pharmaceutical ingredients, which are the basic content for the pharmaceutical products. So if they are manufactured in Pakistan, so we will attain that backward integration which has been missing for the last 60-70 years. We are manufacturing few APIs in the country, but the number of APIs which are manufactured in Pakistan is around 50 or 55, but the APIs which we import from India and China, they are around 3,000, 3,500. So there's a big gap, and an investment can be made in this, and we can go, and there is a huge opportunity for exports in these APIs, as we are doing through Surge Laboratories. We are exporting these APIs to South America, to Middle East, to the GCC countries. This convention has actually triggered a lot of questions that were usually asked, and it has removed the ambiguities that were in mind of the exporters or the pharmaceutical manufacturers who were hesitant to step into the export market. So we have, through this convention, we have encouraged them to invest on their facility and go for the export market. With the current situation in Pakistan, the pricing is one of the biggest challenge for the manufacturers. So we think that the future and the lifeline for pharmaceutical industry in Pakistan is to export their products. The organizers are great. They always contribute very positively towards these pharmaceutical conventions, and they have been brilliant over the last few years, and we have collaborated with them on numerous occasions. And being the chairman technical committee for ppma, I always support them, and I believe that these facilitators can put a great part in the flourishment of the pharmaceutical industry.